For the microwave, you open a door using this button. You clear whatever's on there by pressing stop. Then you can click start quick. Can't get my words out. That puts it on for 30 seconds. If you press it again, that puts it on for another 30. Or you can use the knob, turn it right to change the timing on it. You can turn it down again. And then press stop to stop it. And you can open it.